Hello guys, this is Home Tips. Today I will tell you how to animate text on CapCut PC or Mac. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Let me show you how to animate text on CapCut PC or Mac. Let's go. Import video. Press text and press add text default and drag the default text onto the timeline. Click text, change text, change size text, color, bold, preset style, scale, opacity, stroke, background, glow, shadow, and curve. Alright, press animation. These three animation options: in, out, loop. This in, change duration, animation, hotkey. Press add keyframe. Alright. Okay, this finish.